Discuss natin mamaya.
Dito.
Maghuhukay uli kami.
Oh.
Maghuhukay uli ako after the series.
Sir, yung ocular inspection, ano po masasabi niyo?
Hindi ako, wala ako ron eh. Kaya wala ako masabi.
So, anong expectation yun ng mga tanungan niyo?
Okay lang. We look forward. We're very optimistic with the result of this hearing.
Sir, may mga plans na nag-leak
Plans?
regarding the operation na itong gagawin sa cathedral, itong gagawin sa ano?
Hindi ako nagtataka. Ganun talaga. We're operating in not a perfect environment.
Sir, after the ocular inspection, tinawag kang sinungaling. Anong masasabi mo
Ano
doon?
lang. Let's see. At least may chance naman ako na yan ang beauty ng due process eh. Tinawag lang sinungaling. Let's see after the Senate hearing.
Sir, expectation after the Senate hearing. Anong
We're very much optimistic that the public and the lawmakers and all the people who matters will understand what's going on.
Sir, anong aasahan? Are you going to stop the operation na?
No.
Sa KOJC?
Ang napag-stop na ng operation na to ay korte.
Okay. Sir, baka may mensahe ka sa taga KOJC?
Hindi lang. Let's just stick with the law.
Okay. All smiles po kayo. Sige, go
Sir,
ahead.
sinasabi, Marian from TV5, sinasabi nila, sir, na meron daw hukay?
Yeah, i-discuss natin mamaya.
Dito.
Maghuhukay uli kami.
Oh.
Maghuhukay uli ako
So,
after the hearing.
do you confirm that? Yung excavation?
Yeah. Maghuhukay uli kami after the hearing. Tingnan mo, after the hearing, maghuhukay uli kami. Huwag kang mag-alala.
General,
That's
may tanong
for-
lang. Totoo ba na may gold daw doon na nakuha ninyo?
Yamashita
Hindi
ba
wala na
yan,
sana
sir?
ako rito.
Pero bakit tinakpan pa kung huhukay ulit?
Kasi very limited ang aming nagagamit na saya, na equipment para malaman kung nasa ng tama. So, because of that, na-find out namin we are off by around 2 feet.
So it looks like we have a lot of things to
Pero bakit
look
yung
ahead sa
wall may butas, General? Bakit yung wall may butas?
Wall.
Opo.
Kasama sa... Ano yung wall dun?
Parang sa basement ba yun?
Saka dati na.
Pero sir, yung heart,
Butas ba nakita nyo or natakpan?
Natakpan na.
Saka dati na.
sir, yung heartbeat, we stick to that.
Breathing and life. Movement. Breathe. LM. Life and movement monitor.
So,
But we haven't confirmed that it's Kibuloy's.
Makikita nyo.
So-
Tao, sa ilan ng lupa, 6 meters below the ground.
so after the Senate
So may
investigation,
naamoy daw?
Meron, makikita nyo mamaya ang aso, unless sasabihin naman nila na politicize ang aso.
Anong amoy, sir?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko matanong ang aso. Basta kinahikay niya.
Sir, after the investigation, papatuloy pa rin yung operation?
Oh, yes.
So hindi sa... Okay.
Thank
Thank you, General.
General, picture tayo din, sir.